Black.
Uy! Binawihan! Binawihan! Binawihan, binawihan ah.
All 7.
Patay na naman! Dapat ayusin yung net. Rep yung net! Rep yung net! Rep! Rep yung net! Pakiayos naman yung net! Salamat Rep! Thank you!
Violation.
One more! One more!
Running score 10-7.
Hands pa?
Prioritize only the
Oh my God. My shirt.
Oh bro, sorry. Follow up with Ansari message.
Nasa
Ako naka-live ako. Hindi mo nag-get din. Okay lang. Kailangan gumawa ng mga 50 reels sa YouTube live. Kailangan. Nakawak mga beat, nakawak mga beat. Ano na ito eh.
shot.
Alam ko palang nagawa daw. Para wala lang ano.
Take the shoot. Timeout! Desert Warriors. Running score 10-11 in favor of Team
Naglalaro ah, hindi
NLA.
kasi ah. Parang palitan ng putok. Ano eh. Maganda mga shooting. Ganda mga ano eh. Pinipersonal eh. Pinipersonal yung mga bantay eh. Wala ano eh. Kakapari na ng ano, 3 points eh. Daddy Paul. Ito. Shout out po kay Daddy Paul.
Jungle Desert Warriors. Stop. Stop.
Kita ko tayo ng...
Thank you po, Daddy Paul.
Kumama sa paa.
Powered by Do Telecom.
Stop.
Score is 11-12 in favor of Desert Warriors. Sally passes to Bob. Bob passes to Austin. Austin to Sally. To Bob. Too strong. Oh, yan, Daddy Paul, nag-a-announce na ako para sa viewing pleasure mo. Said, pass to RJ.
3 minutes and 30
Passes to
seconds.
Dave. Drive. Looking for Kian. Kian drive. Tap. Guy loses the handle. Bob. Crossing the center line. Drive. Got by Shake. Shake. Gets the ball.
Steal.
There's a call. What's the call there?
Ano tayo technical?
Stop.
Injury. Cannon out. David in. Save. Passes to RJ. RJ. Orchestrating the play. Passes to David. David.
And 1 minute and 55.
Loses the handle. There's a call. Call Austin.
Foul number 66.
Oh no, number 6.
First personal. First team. 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Take the shot. Misses. Shake. Passes to Salim. Salim. Passes to Bob. Bob. Passes to Sian.
Shot clock 10 seconds. Shot clock 5.
Last 1 minute 6 seconds. Guys, 1 minute 6 seconds, ha? 1 minute. 2 possession ball game.
Remaining time 1 minute.
Right. Foul. Oh, walang foul. Contact. First push the ball. Baby, 3 points.
23 seconds.
Nice shot. That shot is about to move back. Baby.
10 seconds.
It's the ball. David.
5 seconds.
Nice Ali.
Good job. Relax, relax.
Bro, mga alaga ko yan, mga kakabisado ko lahat ng pangalan. Bahala ka lahat yan. Kaya kakabisado ko lahat ng pangalan.
Relax, relax.
Yung pong lingkod sa Desert Warriors, conditioning coach. Pero yung ano na sa akin.
Yeah.
David, six. The first shot.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I like that.
10 seconds.
How about
More charity snap. Two goal, David. 4 points by NLA. Bob. Passes to Salim.
Nice save,
And
nice
in the
save.
first quarter,
Opening by NLA.
running score
Athletic.
12-16 in favor of Team NLA.
Kabisado lang.
Ito pangalan na.
Bakit? Ang tao yan dati. Kinukondisyon natin yan. Kaya kabisado natin.
Sige.
Ito nga nila, hindi ko pa kabisado ang pangalan dati.
Bakit doon si Tyron nandun?
Back to the building, second quarter. NLA basketball.
Tyron, my son. Passes to Jacobe. Jacobe Ramos, passes to David. That's the file. Oh, too strong. Jesus, Francis. Wow, David.
Foul jersey number 15. First personal, first team foul.
Second charity strike for Francis Aguiar. Salim. Looking for his teammate. Pass to Shake. Returns to Salim. High pick up. High pick up traveling because he hacked.
Traveling violation.
Jacobe pushes the ball. To David. Tyrone. David. Nice shot! What's up, guys? Miscommunication between Zalim and Francis. Tyrone. Here's the ball. Pass to Jacobe. Jacobe pass to David. David. Drive. Too strong. Jacobe. Spins. Shoots. Air ball. Rebound by Salim. Salim. Right hand is score. Right hand is score. David. Pass to Jacobe. Tyrone. Is the score. Ay!
Stop.
Yeah, too predictable, ha? Passer, second receiver. Tyron passes to David. Papa. Alright guys, baka kayo nakascore. Defense. Yes, that's live. Facebook live. Salim, drive. Alright, tagyan na. David, back to Tyrone, takes the shot, defense.
23. Sub.
That's my phone.
Si Joy! Ayoko lang ganun! Ayoko pag sumalabang si Joy!
Yes, si Rato.
Joy!
Recruited.
Yaman ka na, ayaw mo!
Jacob eh. Kenan. Tyrone. Ay!
Baba, JJ! Gano! Sakmo, David!
Oh, travel.
Strawberry. Sub.
David, takbo, wag manood. Motion, guys, motion. Aaron. Si David. David drive. Passes to Kenan. Turns to David. Move, guys, move.
Shot clock 10. Number 55.
Counter. Last one, Kenan.
As it counts. Foul jersey number 91. Sub.
That's my hand.
Oh, ilipat ka talaga ng David. Only 16 mo. That's one man.
Push the ball, dalawa kayo.
That's my hand.
Number 7. Number 25. Unsportsmanlike foul.
Dapat bola lang, katawan.
Coach. Reps up muna. Out for 3 minutes.
Out for 3 minutes.
Back to the ball game. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Uli!
Shot clock 10. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 5.
Push! Oras! Nice one, Jacob.
Time out. Score all 24.
Meron pong survey, nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Right, deadlock at 24.
to double game.
D. Come on, one stop, guys, one stop. One stop, guys.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 47 seconds.
Papa, may hot pa dito.
Get your man, get your man, get your man, get your man.
Still. Jersey number 53 South. First personal foul, Robert.
Kaya na. Here's the ball. Pass it to Robert. Jack. Isa pa, go get the ball. Nice.
Jersey number 45.
Hands up. Get the ball. Push. Ulong. Ay, sayang. Foul.
Foul, jersey number 45.
Breaks. Passing lane, ahead. Passing lane, ahead. Bob, passes to Robert. Robert, it's the shot. Hands up. Hands up. Get the ball. Push. Box out muna bago talon. Box out before you get the ball. Grab your man. Kuya, sayang yun.
Natawid.
Bago naman yung sapatos mo.
Oh, ay,
Bakit walang break?
1 and 32 seconds.
Cannon. Drive. Passes. Hands up. High ball game.
Remaining time.
RJ. Jobe. Pass to Cannon. Huli! Ay! Nice pass to Kenan. Nice one, Kenan! Nice pass! Nice one, Kenan. Good job.
20 seconds.
20 seconds! Oras! Set it up! Last shot!
10 seconds.
It's game time! 7 seconds! 6!
5 seconds.
Dalawa kayo! Shoot! Kenan! Nice! Solid po, Kenan! Solid!
Kilo 3 points.
Wow! Ganda ng laban Parang hindi magkakakilala yung magkalaban Ayos sa signal? Ganda ng laban.
Ganda signal niya yun.
Wala, hindi ako nag-ano.
Daddy, multitasking
Bawal trabaho dito pa.
Nice game. 5-point lead by No Limit Athletics. That score was brought to you by Kenan. Nice game, Kenan. Keep it up, keep it up. Keep the composure, kuya, ha? Keep the composure. You got your rhythm, you got your rhythm.
Solid, Kenan. Solid.
You got
Wala
your
na.
rhythm.
Concentrate.
Let's go.
Wala na.
Let's play ball. Come on, one stop. Defense. 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 Hands up, hands up.
Good job, good job. Good defense. Two barrel na lang.
Yes, number 21.
Good challenge. Good challenge, good challenge. Two shots for Shake.
Third naman to ba?
Shake Benitez.
May laro ka pa next time. Ay, next time.
Ako to dalawang game. Kaya.
Kailangan natin mag-charge.
Hindi lang sa sakya mamaya bago mamaya.
First shot is good by Shake.
Number 2, losing for eliminate.
Nice shot! Nice shot! Using the shoulder! Using the shoulder, protecting his shot! Defense! Defense! Get the ball! Oh! Relax, relax, relax. Watch out for Francis. He's a pesky defender.
Turn off ko dito.
Francis gets awarded 2 shots.
2 shots for number 22.
First shot is good. Dapat ako nag-announcer doon, hindi niya alam yung mga pangalan. Oo nga, 22. Ano naman ang 22 bata? Salim. Here's the ball. Pass is good. Shake. Heavily guarded. Kyle. RJ. Help, 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 help. Pass to David. David. Likod. Huwag kayong hihinto. Huwag kayong hihinto. Huwag kayong hihinto. Inaharas kayo. Huwag kayong hihinto. Motion, motion. Pagkahawak ng bola. Diretso. Double team kaagad sila.
Second personal foul.
Francis, drive. Oh, shake. Too strong. Shake is too strong. 33-31. Get the ball, help, help, help. Oh! Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. Guys, huwag kayong hihinto. Diretsuhan niyo yung ano. Retreat. Retreat, accelerate. Retreat, accelerate. Retreat, accelerate. Lapit, tulong. Foul, 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 foul. Foul, foul, foul.
8 seconds violation.
David, diretso, David, diretso. David, safe, diretso lang kayo. Isang direksyon lang. Ihinto nyo, lalanggamin kayo. Uli, hands up, hands up, hands up. Siyan, pass to Salih. Salih, take. Oh, good shot, good shot. Yan, diretso lang.
Yes, sir. Warriors.
Foul! Rep! Tumawag ka naman ng foul! Tumawag ka foul!
Rep, extension na rep.
Huwag kang mahiya!
Rep, extension na yun, rep. Inabot na eh.
Huwag kang mahiya, pumito, rep!
Rep, extension rep. Rep, extension eh.
Kakagugil eh.
Shot clock 10
Nanonood
seconds.
kasi, nanonood eh.
Nice, Kenan.
Kenan! Nanonood dati eh, no? Nanonood eh. Wala sa amin. Hands up, hands up! Hands up! Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up.
David, box out, box out.
Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. Hands up. Back, back.
Close the gap, close the gap. Nice. Yan! Naiiya ka tumawag eh. Huwag ka malibang, Jen. Huwag ka malibang. Bayad ka, bro.
First and foul.
Nagiging audience ka rin eh.
Mabilis kasi yung pace ng game.
Nice one. Nice one. Nice one.
Mabilis yung pace ng game. Kaya na,
Natutuwa rin siya eh.
nakalimutan ko.
Para kang taga-Lialtad, Sampaloc, Manila.
Mabilis yung pace ng game. Yung haras nanonood din.
Foul jersey number
Kaya alam, ang dami
29.
ng tabi.
Basket counts.
Nalilibang. Nalilibang.
Nice one. Good bounce. Nice Janata. Good job, good job, good job. David, David,
Nagigising,
stop
nagigising.
complaining.
Okay.
Do your thing.
Foul number 0.
Find your rhythm. Find your rhythm. David, get your rhythm.
13 fouls.
You get your rhythm. Come on.
Dalawa Kenan, ha? Walang bantay. Nice one, nice one.
Nice, Kenan. Give it up, Kenan. One more shot.
Solid mo, Kenan. Nice one.
Oh! Get your man, get your man, get your man. Get your man.
Takbo, David, takbo!
Oy, travel. Push the ball. Wala lang.
Nice one. Nice save! Hila, hila!
Defense. Defense. Wrong. Ay!
Go, go, go!
Takbo tayo ng butok.
Sub. Next up.
Safe, safe, relax, safe, relax. Safe, 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 relax. Relax,
Kasi
relax.
nasa gilid ka
Calm
lagi.
down, calm down. Calm down, calm down. Calm down, communicate. Don't get detected with a face. Bawi, bawi, bawi guys, bawi, bawi, bawi. Bawi, bawi, bawi. Nice pass! Nice pass!
2 points of your team.
Ba!
Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up! Hands up, defense! Defense! Hands up, hands up!
Ay!
Halimaw, parang import!
Grabe!
Parang si Brownie! Brownie! Oy!
Ay! Ay! Ah!
Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up!
Hey!
Good job, RJ!
Nice ball, nice ball.
Killing the momentum. Nice!
Foul number 6. Sub.
25, 25, 25, keep the ball up. 25, 25, keep the ball up. Don't bring it down. They will get the ball from you. They're like ants.
2 shots for number 0.
One more shot for Celine.
Time 2 minutes and 46 seconds.
Nine ball game for the ball.
On is off. All for 2.
Tulong, 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 tulong. Tawid, tawid. Nice.
Nice, RJ.
Keep on,
Nice, RJ.
keep on.
Nakakasa. RJ. Nakakasa.
Defense. 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 Hands up, hands up.
Foul jersey number 21. Second personal foul.
Parang ano yun, ang bukan yung
Warning for penalty.
pagkatanggap ng bola, nag-shot. One more shot. Ay! Huli!
Next set, 1 minute and 54 seconds.
Ball game! Time ball game!
Get the ball!
Ay! Ay! Ay!
Remaining time, 1 minute.
Ay, ball game.
Go guys, go!
Mateo.
Take a shot!
50 seconds.
Shot!
Foul number 25.
Wala ka pang kasama sa
Second personal foul. Penalty.
tatlo nasa ilalim eh.
Last 40 seconds.
Foul. Foul, Robert.
Number
17 seconds.
second personal foul. Robert. Five seconds. Timeout. Desert Warriors.
Grabe.
Grabe ang laro.
Palitan po ng putok. Ito ang tunay na basketball.
Ang bilis yung pacing.
Hindi yung blowout. Palitan po.
Ganda, no?
Oh,
Grabe. Talagang ano eh, action eh.
Personal nila, kilala nila yung mga
Finals ah.
kilala nila yung mga kalaban nila, kaya talagang pwede. Ano lang. Araw mo ngayon, araw ko bukas, ganito lang. Ano natin dito.
Back to the ball game. Remaining time 4.6 seconds.
Ay, nakaw oh. Tayo din oh. Nakawan. Nakawan tayo dun ah.
Oo nga.
Ano tawag dito? Doon yung score eh. Bakit lahat kayo nandito nakakonsentrate sa pagtanggap? Na high IQ moments tayo doon.
Kaya nga.
Na IQ moments. Let's play.
Ilang seconds yun?
4.8.
Guys, 4.8 seconds nakuha na po yung score. Think about it. Play!
Back to the ball game. NLA basketball.
Sam, you not bring the ball down. Hold it, pass. Fourth quarter.
What na, no?
Fourth quarter.
3-point lead by Desert Warriors. It's anybody's ball game.
Yes, nice one, son! Nice one!
Yan, ading.
7.
Dribble muna.
Bawi na lang.
It's okay, it's okay.
Bawi.
Dribble muna.
Bawi na lang agad. Oh, one stop, depensa. Hands up! Get the ball, Kenan, get the ball! Lay up, come on!
Nice, RJ.
Nice one, RJ.
Good finish.
Oh, one stop, ha? One
Sir,
stop.
ayan na, sir.
Para. One stop. Hands up. Get the ball. Nice pass. 5, 8, one more. Nice, RJ. Nice one, RJ. Nice one.
Good job, RJ.
Nice one. You got your rhythm. Come on. You got your rhythm. Bawi agad. Hindi naman dapat nag-error tapos 2 points ka agad. Para ano,
Bawi agad.
matapang.
Oo.
Hindi ganun talaga pagka na ano, bawi ka na agad. Sabi kayo kayo. 2 finish ka agad oh. Smooth to sa lubong, 2 oh. So grabe, parang Brownlee to si Francis. Parang napatulan.
Nakita ko nakaganon eh, oh.
Nakaagad, tumutupi, parang naging grasshopper eh. Palong-palo eh.
Kaya nga.
Palong-palo. Nasa loob ulit. Nandun na, yun na naman po si Francis. Parang motolite eh.
Kaya nga, parang di battery ano eh.
Ulit ka, energizer.
Kaya nga.
Defense. Nice. 1-point ball game. Wala. This one. Igay! Nice one! Ay, sayang. Bawi. Huli, nice. Nice D.
Okay lang.
Nice D. Outbalance, rep. Bawi ka. Defense. Hands up.
Get the ball!
Get the ball. Oh! Guys, hands up. Guys, hands up. Keep your hands up. Kenan. Tell them, hands up. Nakakailang ka agad yun. Don't wait. They are already slowed down when they reach the paint. They are already slowed down. So hands up. Umbrella defense. Umbrella. Take your time.
Kahit isa lang safe. Isa lang.
Walang tabla.
Rainbow.
More. Oh, bawi. Sige, bawi. Bounce back. Bounce up, defense. Bounce up. Nice one. Sayang. 25, a little bit higher. Get the ball. Hands up. Guys, hands up. Patay. 3 points.
Ganun! 3 points!
Last one, Kunan.
Score all 52.
Hands up! Hands up! Ay!
Get the ball! Get the ball!
Nice
Ganda.
one!
Nice, Sam.
Guys, hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Don't wait! Don't wait for the shot!
Take a shot! Take a shot!
Hands up!
Balik, Seth. Balik, balik.
Hands up! Hands up!
Rush! Rush!
Stop.
Guys, hands up! We're letting them shot!
Number 0.
Tama.
Number 0, time.
Ikaw muna. Score. Score. Referee score.
Referee score.
Sabi travel! Sabi travel!
Score ba?
54 all!
Tawagan mo ng travel kanina.
Sabi travel doon! Sabi travel! Ito to! Yung matangkad pa! 54 all! Nabiling ang tawa! Inispuran nyo! Ano yan?
Tinawag, traveling ka o... Traveling yan, not counted. 54 all. Ganda referee.
Score, tama po yung score.
Okay lang. Bawi. Depensa. Raise your hands. Bring your hands up. Raise your hand.
Ay!
Tatlong 10. What is score? 58-54.
Ano nangyari dun dito?
Foul jersey number 3.
Good daw eh. Good.
Stop.
Ito ba sabi nila travel?
Alright guys, one stop guys, one stop. One stop guys, one stop. Hands up!
Foul number 7.
Guys, hands up! Ano ngayon, tinaas nila yung kamay nila.
Ito po sabi nila proper.
Kaya nga. Akala ko nga rin sabi eh.
One more! Sick!
Coming time, 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Shoot!
4.5. Number 6. Rebound number 29.
Defense!
Hinga.
Shoot! Tapos!
2 minutes. Sub.
Hands up ha! Hands up! Kailan? Kyle! Hands up ha! Hands up! Hands up! Foul! Foul! Rep!
Ayaw tumawag.
Rep! Foul naman! Ito naman! Nagtatamaan na!
Shot clock 10.
Okay, go. Hoy!
Henry.
Rep! Rep!
Tatangga na yung katawan. Tumawag ka.
Rep, kontak, rep, kontak sa ere. May body contact, rep, body contact. Body contact. Nakatubalan sa tira.
Back to the ball game.
Rep, contact, rep kasi. May contact naman eh.
Frankfurt inbound. 40-second shot clock.
May contact kasi sa ere kaya na out of balance na eh. Pasabit, kitang-kita ba?
Tumangga eh.
May contact eh. Nag-hop tapos pagka-step niya. Dalawa yun.
Mali na yung bata. Ay,
Shot clock 10. Shot clock 5.
Shoot!
Foul jersey number 3. Sub rep, sub na rep.
Press legs ha. Press legs.
Timeout!
Time out.
Takbuhan nyo. Takbuhan nyo, takbuhan nyo. Kanina pa yun eh. Ilang beses din eh. Buti sana pa yun.
Huwag kang turuan, hindi ka marunong eh.
May contact eh.
Marunong ka pero hindi mo
Slow mo
ginagawa.
pa, slow mo pa nga yung take off ni Safe eh. Nag-ano siya parang Pinoy step eh. Parang Pinoy step na high pick up eh. Yung sa pangalawang step niya kaya out balance siya eh. Pero walang tawag, di ba? Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin manipis yun eh. Salpukan eh.
Sasabihin pa, ganito na lang.
Coach, ano po yung gabanag yan? Quarter pa yun. Ah, ano lang?
Kuya, takbuhan nyo ha, 3 points. It's game time. Bilis, bilis, bilis! Oras! 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 Bilis!
Foul number 29.
Nice, Ryan. Nice, Ryan.
Kuya, ikaw wag kang maglabas! Wag kang maglabas! Wag kang maglabas! Tumanggap ka! Tira mo 3! Tira mo na 3! Kapos, kapos!
Oh,
Yeah, nice try, nice try, nice try! Nice try, nice try! Turn it around! Turn it around! Sige, depensa! Isang matindi! Sige, check, 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 check! Check, 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 check! Sige, oh!
Shot clock 10.
1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3, go!
Shot clock 5. Shot clock violation.
$27 seconds!
25 seconds. In.
nice try.
2 points. 10 seconds.